everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily turn on and off flashlight in Undawn game. If you're in Undawn trying to figure out how to turn the flashlight on or off, then the process is quite easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open your Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, if you want to turn on the flashlight, then you'll need to click on this three dot at the bottom left corner. Once you're inside this, scroll from the bottom menu and look for the light on button. Click on it to turn on the flashlight. If you want to turn it off, tap on it again and you'll be able to turn off the flashlight. Remember that the flashlight may turn off automatically in safe zones or cutscenes. In some missions, it turns on or off based on environment. So that is how you can easily turn on and off the flashlight in Undawn. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.